Good morning, Tasha McGlashan here. It is week 4, mission 3, earn our traffic. So what that means is we are going to target what we were taught is our Dream 100, meaning we're reaching out to people and that we are targeting, which in my case is affiliate marketers who are really doing well in their business and they have a massive following. So for example, we have Pat Flynn here of Smart Passive Income. Now, I had heard of him before, and I had subscribed to his email list before, and that was when I was getting into funnels, but I wasn't understanding what it was, so I had unsubscribed from a lot of those type of marketing. So again, full circle back. So what he does is he does a podcast and he does blogging, and which is good because what we want to do is we want to get on the radar of the person that is on your Dream 100 list. It's going to take a while if you're dealing with someone like Tony Robbins. Okay, so Russell Brunson, it took him 10 years to get Tony Robbins to do a video to promote his book for him. And what happened was Tony Robbins' audience was introduced to Russell Brunson's product, ClickFunnels, and guess what that did to his sales, right? So what we want to do is we want to reach out to what I call my Dream One, which is Pat Flynn. He is doing what I want to do. Is he's becoming a very successful affiliate marketer and has a great passive income lifestyle. Okay, so in order to do that, I had actually listened to a podcast of his. It was back in 2015. It was about affiliate marketing, and towards the end, he kind of did an open call. Hey, if you want to be on my podcast, reach out to me at this email. So that's what I did. Now, I don't expect to hear from him today, This is something I'm going to have to continuously do. Hence, me creating a new schedule, since we probably only have a couple days left of this challenge. So what I did was I created a schedule during the challenge and then after the challenge. So what I was going to do here is, since he has a blog here, and actually, I don't know if I'm able to comment, and that's what we want to do. Is we want to comment on his blog sites, and if anyone's asking questions in the blog and I'm able to answer it, that's me helping his tribe. And also, if I'm having a conversation with these people and they look me up, then that's a way for them to get on my list. Okay, so here we have looks like a podcast, and I'm scrolling all the way down. We have a full transcript, so if I don't want to listen to it, I can read it or I can download it. And okay, here we go. So this was a day ago, and Chandra says, thank you so much for sharing and looking forward to learning more from this blog. So this is good. So 4 days ago and 6 days ago. So this would be something that I would probably do today, is join the discussion and leave my comment. The other thing I can do is I looked at his contact information, and since I don't do podcasts, that's not my strength, I can be a guest on his podcast, and then he's telling me how to do that. So that is pretty much the training that we received today. And it's a longer process because we're talking about someone who has 9 million downloads of his podcasts. Okay, so he's pretty important in my field. So again, even though it's a long process, don't give up. Just keep doing it, because in the end, it's going to pay dividends. Okay? All right, that's today's training. It was pretty short, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.